A cutting force of JAK-400C tree shear designed for 14 to 30-ton excavators is concentrated on one gripping jaw. This solution allows for a lighter structure and a more affordable price. Despite its compact size, this forestry beast can effortlessly cut trees up to 40 centimeters thick. Thanks to its strong structure and foot, you can confidently lift and assist the excavator while on the move. The open design keeps snow and debris out of the tree shear. Your work will significantly speed up by equipping the tree shear with a collector with one of the market's largest collection capacities. With this tree shear, you can move piles and individual trunks while the blade is in place. Jak-400C operates with one additional hydraulic line, even with accessories. This product is for you if you need a powerful, versatile, and reliable tool.